Wow, Jiva. Wow, that's so soulful. Did you write the lyrics yourself? What inspired you?
Mannequin.
We can't hear you.
Mannequin.
A mannequin inspired
No,
you?
just kidding. But that's the video song. Yeah.
So what does it mean?
Well, it's about not being able to relate with people around you. So.
Ouch.
No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, that's the basic concept of the song, where you're saying that if somebody comes with me, I would never be sad again.
Anybody, somebody comes with me.
Yeah, I mean, it's sort of like if somebody just supports whatever I'm following, it's sort of being lonely on your path, and you're saying, if somebody just supports me, I would never be sad again.
Okay. Wow.
I wrote this song when I was 17. The first song I actually wrote.
To me, it's like a very simple but catchy, yet catchy concept, but done in a very, I would say, thoda sa darkness element.
Yeah. This is something I've noticed in Bilal Khan's, generally in his songs, is usually a
a little offbeat and towards
sad undertone.
Undertone plus it is hopeful. Yeah, his songs are very hopeful, and he's got a different melody, different yet catchy. Yeah, that is important.
It's really nice. Alisher, I believe you got a really nice number lined up for us.
Yeah, actually it's a new song from our upcoming album. The song is called Ye Zindagi.
Ye Zindagi.
Yeah.
कुछ थोड़ा सा बताएं, what's it about?
Actually, it's about a person who wants to live his life, in his own way, and he does not want to be dictated by his parents or people around him. Maybe he's young, maybe he's a bit immature, to take decisions, to take big decisions, but he is confident and he is passionate about his future, about the way he wants to live his life, and he's just trying to explain it to people that please मुझे ये करने दें, ये मेरी एक life है और इसमें I want to go on with it and the way I want to do it. So it's a song about even an 80 years or 70 years old person can also relate with this because I think जब आप बहुत बड़े लोग भी होते हैं उनको भी they sometimes get dictated by their children.
So this comes from like a personal story.
आपको नहीं पता, आप बहुत बूढ़े हो गए हैं, ठहरे यार, आपको नहीं पता, हम आपको बताते हैं, अब आपकी एज बहुत बड़ी होगी.
Right, certainly something that everyone can relate to.
I think so.
So what's it called, the song?
Ye Zindagi.
Ye Zindagi. So is he going to play for you?
My Steve Vai is here.
Wow, Steve Vai, quite an honor.
Why?
Vai. नहीं असली वाला भाई वी है भाई. ये जिंदगी अच्छी बुरी जैसी भी है मेरी है, किस बात की जल्दी मुझे, किस बात की देरी है. ये जिंदगी अच्छी बुरी जैसी भी है मेरी है, किस बात की जल्दी मुझे, किस बात की देरी है. कब मैं चलूं, कब रुकूं, कब मैं उठूं, कब गिरूं, यूं न समझाओ तुम मुझे, क्या मैं करूं. कब मैं चलूं, कब रुकूं, कब मैं उठूं, कब गिरूं, यूं न समझाओ तुम मुझे, क्या मैं करूं. ये जिंदगी अच्छी बुरी जैसी भी है मेरी है, हंस के मिले कोई या हो खफा, मैंने किया जो भी दिल ने कहा, अपनी नजर मेरी, ख्वाब मेरे, अपने कदम मेरे, रास्ता मेरा. कहता हूँ क्या, करता हूँ क्या, औरों को क्या लेना है, खोया किसे, पाया किसे, ये तो मेरा जीना है. कब मैं चलूं, कब रुकूं, कब मैं उठूं, कब गिरूं, यूं न समझाओ तुम मुझे, क्या मैं करूं. हो ये जिंदगी अच्छी बुरी जैसी भी है मेरी है, किस बात की जल्दी मुझे, किस बात की देरी है.
This is turning out to be really something. That was a great number. ये कब release हो रहा है आपका song?
Actually अभी काम कर रहा हूँ इस पे. The music is done and the whole album is, the music is done, poetry is done. I'm just gonna start doing the vocals right after Eid, inshallah.
Oh, inshallah. Okay, super great. Ali shared with this song called
Ye Zindagi.
Ye Zindagi. And now, very quickly, of course, there's one person left, and it's QB. QB, we're getting a lot of requests for your Humsafar song. We just got a message from Umair Ahmed, who says ke please Humsafar, and also Mariam Zia from England, who's watching right now. She's also requested this song. So and another very interesting tweeter, I suppose. Abdul Majid has said, we were talking about wax and who that actor was. It's Steve Carell, who was waxed in the. You see, it's there. It's authentic. We're actually getting feedback.
iPad.
I know.
Sweet little Farhan here was wondering what this little thing was.
Let
me use that. That's what I was asking.
It's a toy for us grown-ups.
Can I touch? Please? Can I?
People get the wrong idea. Never mind.
आपको चाहिए वो भी नहीं लगा.
All right. QB.
Yeah.
I'm sorry to disturb you offering chai to Bilal Khan, but we want to hear you sing Humsafar, and the viewers really, really. So, are we ready? Thoda sa
Yeah.
Prep kar le. Do you want or do you want to
Fawad
go?
Khan, by the way.
Let's go.
Okay, we go.
Yeah.
So, who's going to do the music and stuff?
Let me just start. Let me sing. Let me sing if you can just pick it up.
पहला सुर दीजिए आप.
अच्छा.
बाल पहले सही कर लें आप.
वो हम सफर था, वो हम सफर था, मगर उससे हम नवाई न थे. वो हम सफर था, मगर उससे हम नवाई न थे. के धूप छाँव का आलम रहा, जुदाई न थी. वो हम सफर था, हाँ वो हम सफर था, हाँ वो हम सफर था, मगर उससे हम नवाई न थी. के धूप छाँव का आलम रहा, जुदाई न थी.
Wow, sir, wow.
Oh my God.
Playing the wrong chord.
यार क्या करूँ यार? I'm not a guitar player.
QB, one more request in. This one is called by the producer. Akhiyan nu rehn de.
Okay.
Please zara wo गुनगुना दे.
हाँ उसके आते हैं.
Hang on, let him एक से check तो कर लो. Maybe he knows it this time.
नहीं लेकिन तुम जी से बजा रहे थे.
मैं वर्स से शुरू करूँगी. पहली वर्स से मैंने
अखियाँ यहाँ से
नहीं वर्स से पहले.
Words क्या है?
वेखण दा चाहा सानू.
जल्दी जाओ
प्रोड्यूसर साहब देखिए आपने कैसे गेस्ट बुला के रखे हैं मेरे सामने.
हाँ गिटार नहीं जाना था, खुद भी डालो.
Steve Bhai is having a bit of a technical problem.
शो का जो प्रोमो होगा ना उसमें ये बड़ा अच्छा लगेगा कट के करे एकदम से अखियाँ ना.
Thank you, producer साहब number 2.
ये इंस्ट्रूमेंट आपको नहीं बजाना.
Promo idea is already there.
आवाज नहीं आई. बंद हो जाएगा आवाज.
Okay,
let's hear the song.
let's hear the song. Can you play it, Bilal? No, you can't play. Can you play it?
I'm not going to play.
Farhan, can you play it?
कोई नहीं बजाएगा, नहीं कोई बजाएगा.
क्यों? All because you can't play it doesn't mean no one
मेरा
else.
गिटार है.
Like, come on, Farhan, can you play it? Yeah, it looks, it sounds really nice. Don't squash the cake.
Let's do one song together.
अखियाँ nu rehn de.
No.
वो गाएंगे ना वो.
तेरे इश्क में हाँ.
Do you want to play with
मगर वो तुम्हें वाला पार्ट जरूर बोलना.
शुरू उधर से करते हैं.
Okay.
शुरू उधर से.
ठीक है.
हाँ जी.
Alright, are we ready?
मैं बीच में से शुरू करूँगा. You start singing and figure out the chord.
Okay.
अखियाँ नु रहन दे, ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਕੋਲ ਚੰਨ ਪਰਦੇਸੀਆ ਬੋਲ ਪਾਵੇ ਨਾ ਬੋਲ ਵੇਖਣ ਦਾ ਚਾਹਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮੁਖ ਪਰ ਤਾਂ ਵੀ ਨਾ ਨੇੜੇ ਨੇੜੇ ਵਸ ਢੋਲਾ ਦੂਰ ਦੂਰ ਜਾਵੀ ਨਾ ਦੂਰੀ ਦਾ ਖਿਆਲ ਛੱਡ ਬਸ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਕੋਲ ਚੰਨ ਪਰਦੇਸੀਆ ਬੋਲ ਪਾਵੇ ਨਾ ਬੋਲ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਰਹਿਣ ਦੇ
That was awesome.
You're bad.
फरहान कितनी ऊंचा आपने बजाया यार
She sounds pretty good without the music.
यहाँ पे कि ये
Yeah, but
we all are like proud Pakistanis and
Yes.
we should be proud of Pakistani music because ये गाना जो है ये this is a Pakistani song and it was imitated exactly the way it is in Urdu in Hindi and it was sung by Lata Mangeshkar और ये गाना जो है ये गाना इंडिया ने कॉपी किया है वो है अखियों को रहने दे अखियों के पास पास ये गाना जो है हम लोग ज़्यादा क्रिएटिव हैं हम लोग
it's our song.
इन्वेंट या ये हमारा गाना है एंड वी शुड बी प्राउड ऑफ पाकिस्तान रेशमा जी एंड पाकिस्तानी म्यूजिक और
And QB?
इंडिया का कोई सीन नहीं है
पाकिस्तान में बहुत टैलेंट है that's for sure.
That's true. No, it's very important because we seem to forget this so often, especially
Yeah.
our youngsters. कि जी हमारी क्या heritage है, what is our culture, and in terms of music as well. You know, there's so much great stuff that's coming out of Pakistan, and people just simply forget. Like you mentioned, I didn't know this
Yeah.
fact.
and even
अननोटिस जाता है बिकॉज वहाँ पे जाहिर बात है सब लोग सुन लेते हैं इट्स अ पाकिस्तानी सॉन्ग इंडियन गाना जो है वो कॉपी है इसकी
and even artists, they just crave to go across the border even before they are successful over here, and this is actually an issue that we have over here with
No, but
with
don't
a
you
lot
think
of
it's
these
justified like them because they don't get that kind of attention here, they don't get that kind of contracts
You
or
see,
anything.
they get attention. Look at Bilal. He didn't even be on TV before he was on TV. He was already successful on the internet. So
The thing is,
you
when
don't
you
need to
got
be.
it, you got it.
Nobody's
If you
gonna
have the
stop it,
talent,
yeah.
you can make
Yes,
it wherever you
ये
are.
सब बातें हैं.
Yeah.
People just go around saying that Pakistan, you don't get enough exposure or whatever. You get your way if you're good enough. If you're really into what you want to do.
या बिकॉज अगर कुछ नहीं बनना तो वहाँ जाके भी नहीं बनेगा
Yeah.
Especially with the internet.
With the
it's,
internet.
it's just become a flat word.
Hassan, do you agree with that?
Hassan totally agrees.
The mic is in your. Were you following any of this? See,
He's sleepy. He's sleepy.
we're talking
सही कह
about
रहे हैं सब।
musicians in
Not
Pakistan.
Bakras.
नहीं आई डू एग्री विद दैट और लेकिन मैं ऐसे नहीं कहूँगा कि हमें जाना नहीं चाहिए इंडिया लेकिन ये सोच के नहीं जाना चाहिए कि यार यहाँ पे नहीं चल रहे तो उधर जाके हिट हो
Yeah, but because if you're not successful in Pakistan, then there's probably a big chance that you won't be successful in India either.
No, but you see, Hassan QB is saying कि if you've got the talent, there's no way you won't succeed.
obviously
is that true?
this is true
India is a bigger market, of course. You get more exposure. But the thing is, you have to have that thing
No,
in you.
Business.
I would kind of like disagree with that. India has a better market.
No, bigger market.
A bigger market. Probably a bigger market.
Better.
But then they even try to dictate
Yeah, they
your
do,
music
they
as
do,
well.
yeah.
And honestly, if I were to
back
go,
in-
I would never, change my
Who's-
music.
back
for
in
it.
2003
who's
and
ruling the
2004?
Bollywood mainstream music
Yeah.
in Bollywood?
Yeah.
Atif Aslam, Rahat Fateh Ali Khan.
Yeah, but you listen to Atif Aslam's.
I
with
mean,
all due respect,
I'm not a big
his,
fan of Atif
yeah.
Aslam, but still, I mean, he's good.
He's
good
great.
enough
He's
to
great.
to make it to
Bilkul.
about Bollywood and
Yeah.
making up like a lot of
No,
music
back
over
in
there.
2004, things were not like this. Before terrorism,
Yeah.
when we got hit badly by terrorism, and we stopped having shows and concerts. at that time 2002 में 2003 में we used to dictate them. you
Yeah.
know. Okay, yeah.
This is how it's going to be.
Yeah, this is how it's going to be. This is my sound. You cannot tamper it or you cannot change it. But with lot of other problems like ये
Yeah.
इतने मसले जब शुरू हो गए, then हमारी इंडस्ट्री नीचे हो गई.
Yeah.
वो लोग वैसे के वैसे ही
But I
और
think
बेहतर हो
even
गए.
I think the best music comes out during these tough times in any
Yeah.
any society. In
Yeah, okay,
any
Farhan,
society.
let me ask you this question, Ramai. You're pretty vocal about what your take is on this. That, matlab, would you, if Simth was offered a contract in India, lucrative sort of coverage completely of an album
In a heartbeat.
and
in a
Would you
heartbeat,
go?
yeah. That second, yeah.
ऐसे foreign.
Yes.
and then you two would split.
I'll go and
No.
yeah. Then I'll call Harun के मैं आ गया हूँ यार तो आजा तू भी.
India
सब. हाँ.
No, but on a serious note, serious.
I don't know. Maybe we will. But जैसे अरिशद भी कहते कि we have to tell them कि this is our limit. We won't go commercial इस तरह के हम लोग अपने music को भी.
We won't go distak.
हाँ, वो सर वो
we
जो
won't start
Bollywood.
doing that.
But what if the money is
basically.
If the money do that, let
In a
the money
heartbeat.
do that. Then honestly, and this is, I think we
Bilkul.
all three of us would agree
Bilkul.
on this.
If Dave
that-
Sim signs up with
Yeah.
the Mahesh Bhatt film, I'm gonna like
नहीं.
play this
Yeah.
all over the internet.
ठीक है कर ले.
I'll contact me. I'll send you the link. Okay. All right. Well, we're gonna start another game here. Like we haven't had enough of awkward moments. Please, you guys know the drill. Distract each other completely senseless. Again, Simth, do you want to do this individually? Maybe this guy here.
हम साथ कर
Yeah,
चलो साथ
साथ
कर.
करेंगे.
Okay, let's do it together.
जबरदस्त.
ठीक है. So
Do
you've
we-
got the
we
mic
start
here.
off?
3 against 1 now.
But they need it. Come on. Three.
Three against three.
You're one
Yes,
drill.
can
Team up
we-
if you.
You guys are.
Do you want to team up? Do you want to team up? Do you want to
Yeah,
have
team
a
up. Let's team up.
Great.
Simth versus?
Bring it
versus
on.
solo.
No, listen,
Solo
listen,
artist.
Simth
अच्छा
versus-
अच्छा तीन ठीक है और
No,
ठीक
no,
है.
hang on. No, that's not fair. That's four of you and two of you, and this guy doesn't try.
You are the team and we are the team.
कम बोलने वाला.
Okay, fine. I'll go back to my band.
Yes.
Sorry, yaar.
No problem.
Jeez, man, like loyalty
Yeah,
is
रहने
there.
दे.
आप आज यहाँ से तोड़वा के भेजेंगे band. Oh,
Well, once I'm open, I can
what's
sing
the game?
kind of. Achha, anyway, okay, this game is called Word Association. The idea of this game is that I'll be throwing words at you individually and really fast. You have 30 seconds to come up with whatever comes into your mind. See, this is the thing. If you're three people playing, तो God knows क्या निकलेगा आपके मुंह से.
अच्छा है. एक
Whisper करके किसी को ना बोलो.
हाँ,
Go
चलो
turn by
ये करो.
turn.
30 seconds में आप तीनों
No,
को
just
दूंगी.
do it individually. It'll be more fun.
Yeah? Should we do it individually?
Yeah, let's start from there.
Yes, this
Yeah,
Mr.
since
Quiet.
he's been quiet for
Hand
a
him the
while.
mic.
He was playing the guitar again. He wasn't listening.
It's a word association game.
Okay.
I will throw a word at you. I will continue throwing words at you for 30 seconds, and you have to say whatever comes to your mind. Just try not to say bad words.
More of a rapid fire sort
हाँ,
of.
rapid fire, major rapid fire. Achha, you can also say something in a sentence. You don't have to answer in yes, no, or hello, hi. You know, you just say a whole sentence. All right. I am setting the timer, and 30 seconds on
going
the
to be a
clock.
very
Are you ready?
boring-
Are you ready?
Okay.
boring
Try.
20 seconds.
1, 2, 3, start. Inflatable dolls.
That's my answer.
We can't hear you! My God!
Silent.
What did you say?
Nothing.
I said that's my answer.
Nothing.
Imran Khan.
Which one?
Yeah, I think you should go.
Okay, yeah, alright.
Yeah, this is going to be painful. आजा फरहान.
Farhan.
पहले मैं I want to watch Harun do it.
Okay, fine. I'll do it first.
Yeah.
आजा.
Okay, Harun. God, you boys.
Yeah.
Acha, ready?
Right.
3, 2, 1. Inflatable dolls.
Soft, nice.
Huma Mirsha.
Huma Misha, beautiful.
Meera.
Old.
Veena Malik.
Pendu.
Paris Hilton.
Maha beautiful.
Maha beautiful. ठीक है.
Twilight series.
Don't watch it.
Annie Khalid.
Hair.
Lindsay Lohan.
Hair. बाल यार खूबसूरत
Oh,
बाल
hair.
हैं.
Lindsay. Oh, sorry.
alright, huh.
No, time.
Oh, time up.
Time.
Samir Samar.
Oh.
Yeah.
6, right? He got 6. Annie Khalid, no, 7. He got 7 in. Please,
30
anybody
seconds.
there in the control room?
30 seconds.
7.
Okay.
7, okay.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so you just got 7 in. By the way, you're not playing individually, you know that, no? I'm kidding. The devastation on his face, so precious. Okay, Farhan, you're next.
But we add up.
Oh, please.
Are you
As
going to
if.
ask the same questions over and over
Oh,
again?
this time I have more words. Don't worry. Okay, are you ready?
No. Okay. Yeah. I thought you were playing.
Lying game खत्म हो गया.
Lying game khatam ho gaya. Ready?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
No.
Take it.
But let's just start. Yeah.
3, 2. Mic ऊपर करें. Don't hit yourself with it. 3, 2. 3, 2, 1, go. Lindsay Lohan.
Beautiful and a great vocalist.
George Bush.
No, I hate him. Sorry.
Sarah Palin.
I don't know her.
Yeah,
You know
Sarah
you don't know
Palin.
Sarah Palin?
No.
Imran Khan.
PTI.
Eid.
Eid Bakras.
Bakra.
Bakra Qurbani.
Bilal Khan.
It's okay.
Medubra.
Synth.
Great band.
Gandheri.
बहुत बड़ी बात है.
Your time is up. So, no, you can't say that on TV.
Oh, shoot.
Apologize
said that?
to the children
Sorry.
viewers right now.
Sorry, children. I didn't say that.
Oh, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 8. You're one up. Not bad.
7.5.
Are you ready to play now?
Not the guitar.
He's playing the guitar.
Do you want to play the game? Okay, good. Finally. All right.
some easy words.
Well, I think these are pretty easy. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Pakistan.
Zindabad.
Shoaib Akhtar.
Malik. Acha.
Shoaib Akhtar.
Bowler.
Eggs.
Shaker.
Unbeatable.
Coffee.
Cold.
Beauty.
Full.
What did he say? Beautiful. Beast. Beast.
Beastmaster.
Salman Khan.
वो कौन है?
Chammak Chalo.
अच्छा गाना है यार.
Okay, अच्छा गाना है Chammak Chalo. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yaar, average.
8.
16.
You got a tie here. Acha ji. All right, I'm going to pass the mic on to Ali Sher since his mic seems to be perpetually not working.
Yeah.
Okay, Ali Sher, you know the drill. I'll throw words at you, rapid fire round. You guys are really going slow.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to throw it at you. Ready? Katrina Kaif.
Hot.
iPhone.
Great.
Pakistan Khappe.
What?
कोई सीन नहीं.
Mark Zuckerberg.
I don't know him.
Aiza Umar.
Pretty.
Thank you. Sri Devi.
Old school.
Slumdog.
Millionaire.
Amitabh Bachchan.
Greatest.
Tony Blair.
Time's up.
Farik.
Aristotle.
Amazing.
George Clooney.
Amazing.
अच्छा जॉर्ज क्लूनी ऐसे काउंट नहीं करता.
ये 2 दफा देखे उन्होंने अमेजिंग एक लफ्ज का यार.
तो क्या है?
मैं
बोला
सारों-
तो सही ना.
अच्छा हाँ सही.
Sorry. Okay, let's see. We started with Katrina Kaif. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Yeah.
11. No, 10.
10.
Wow, surprisingly good at this. All right, QB. What? You're not up for this game? You're not up for the challenge, huh? You come on. You're the one other lady here on the set. I cannot take this.
No, I can't. What?
What?
Alright, let's do it. Let's do it.
Did you get your
No,
water?
but let's just let him do it first.
Okay.
Let him get it done.
Uske
with
baad
it
you're
first.
you're the only one left, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, Bilal Khan,
I'm fine
don't look
with
so
that.
nervous. Don't bite your nails. All right. Okay.
Mic चाहिए?
नहीं नहीं.
No, say in. Okay. So Bilal Khan is going to play word association. So far we've got 8, 8, 10. All right. So you've got to beat 10 to beat this game. On your marks, get set, ready. Go. George Clooney.
केक खा यार. केक खा यार.
Good actor.
यार केक
Johnny
खा.
Depp.
Great actor.
Chocolate.
Hate it.
यार केक
Friends,
तो
the
खा.
sitcom.
Funny.
Facebook.
Something I used to use.
Bananas.
I eat them a lot.
Powerpuff Girls.
Hate them.
Batman.
5,
Pretty
4,
good.
3,
Robin.
2, 1. Time's up.
I
Time's
don't
up.
know, yes.
Wonder Woman.
I don't know who that is.
Wolverine.
Wonder Woman.
Sharp.
Seriously?
Ali
Oh my
Asmat.
god.
Legend.
Okay. Good music, dude. Okay, let's see. We started with George Clooney. 1, 2, 3,
You don't
4,
know Wonder
5,
Woman,
6,
seriously?
7,
It's just passing
8,
us.
9, 10, and
And 11. and
11.
12.
11? Hang on, you don't know who Wonder Woman is?
I knew it, but I was just like.
Are you basically saying that
just
you're a
want to win.
chauvinist?
Oh my
I
god.
was just wrapping
Should I
it up.
deduct a mark?
No,
Cut the-
I was just wrapping it
I
up.
think that's the only.
But Stella, you give everyone a 0 here.
They were confusing him, so he has to pass it on like really quick.
No, but
But that's not his fault. He probably knows it because he's one of us.
And he likes bananas, apparently. Another little fact for the fans, Bilal Khan loves bananas. Awkward silence, there we go! Achieved! Alright, I promised the viewers that there will be a lot of awkward silences, so... Anyway, QB, are you ready? You
I'll
gotta
help you out.
kick butt, okay?
I'll try.
Alright, okay, here we go.
I will be very bad at it, I think. But
No,
I'll
you
try
will
my
win.
best.
You must win.
Time
The
up.
women must win here. Okay. Acha, are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay, we're ready. Hang on. And start. Zaid Hamid.
Who's that?
Ali Azmat.
Who's that?
Amazing singer.
Zionist Conspiracy.
What the hell that mean?
Zayn Hamid.
Blackwater.
Stupid.
Raymond Davis.
Who's that?
Beep.
Fox News.
Good to promote.
Marilyn Manson.
I have no idea who that is.
U2.
Huh?
U2.
You too.
The band.
You too.
Why all you?
Oh no. They're good.
Jefferson Airplane.
What's that?
I don't know.
Airplane?
Heavy metal.
I'm not into metal.
Eminem.
He sucks.
Oh! Ganda loves. Ganda loves.
Sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry.
Okay,
I'm very
let's see how
sorry.
much you
But
get.
yeah, I don't like Eminem.
Okay.
I don't like him.
1, 2,
You don't like him?
4, 5, 6, 7,
You're welcome.
8, 9, 10.
So I win.
10. It's okay, QB.
It's
You
I'll
have the
give
best
you my
voice here.
donuts. I don't want.
I didn't mean that. Everyone here is great. Bilal Khan, you're the lucky winner.
Thank you.
Hence, the donut ki plate goes to you. Yay! Acha, are we having the brain freeze?
Whoa, that's dangerous.
Oh, okay. Producer Saab says after the break, get ready, boys and girls.
What's that?
All right, we're going to take a short break now. Keep sending your feedback. You know the Twitter account to send it to. So far, I've got some great comments. I'll read them as soon as I'm back from this break. So right now, right now, we're going to be talking at taking a break. Sorry, but before we go, we've got a little bit of feedback, a video log from this person. He is this author of Sands of Time. He's a social activist and a big name in Pakistan's blogosphere. Faisal Kabadia, not the strings wala Faisal, but the host of the 247online.tv show called Out of Bounds. Here's what he has to say.
Hi everybody. Our country has been racked by inflation this year and people are really suffering these days. So this Eid al-Azha, why don't we do one less barbecue and give more meat to the needy people than we usually do? Having said that, have a very, very happy Eid al-Azha and best wishes for the year ahead.
Welcome back. Eid Mubarak. You're watching the morning show with me, Aiza Umar, on this very special Eid transmission. Our guests here are now really ready to go with the next game. This game is called Brain Freeze because their brains will freeze. We've given an unlimited supply, as it seems, of ice cream cups to all our contestants. All of them.
And the winner gets an iPad.
Especially Bilal Khan and QB.
And the winner gets the iPad. Wow.
Winner might get something special.
iPad.
We're not going to disclose that yet. We will only tell you once the credits start rolling and I have a good escape route planned for me. But you have 1 minute. Okay, you have 60 seconds on the clock and the clock is here.
Lost.
No, it's here. And apne cups utha lijiye and your lovely little spoons. ये guitar रख दीजिए.
I'll be giving the background music.
No, you will not be giving the background music. You will be having the ice cream. This is a very serious game. You have your fans
You have to
watching.
finish it in
तो वो serious
certain
background
time.
music दे सकता
You
है.
have to finish it.
As many as you can. Whoever
ये
finishes,
खोल के रखे पहले ये तो.
whoever finishes the most the cups.
Who finishes the last?
अब
So you want to?
वक्त आ गया है.
This is probably a good. टूटेगा नहीं. Not that I shouldn't be telling you this,
Oh my
but.
God. गला
Okay,
खराब
come
करा दिया.
on, hurry up. Can you detach yourself from the guitar, or do you really want to do the background music?
गला खराब करोगे आप लोग.
अभी नहीं शुरू है इतने वापस. Cheating.
मैंने खा लिया. I'm disqualified.
Okay, very funny. Okay, are we ready? Okay, I'm setting the clock. Your time. I'm watching you. Don't you start without me giving you a go ahead. All right. Yeah! Don't make me scream. It's not. It's so against my like poise and all, you know. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. This speed mein to nobody's gonna finish. Seriously, Hassan? Seriously? Harun? 8 seconds. Come on, Bilal. You've won this fridge before on the Urdu morning show at Express. Show what you've got. Was that a fraud, basically? Was that rigged? Then eat up. QB looking very serious. QB, just don't throw up, man. I ain't got tissue here. Wadi Ali Sher down with 1 cup. Come on, Farhan. Come on. 25 seconds will be game. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. That's really sad music, by the way. That's no system. There we go.
हाँ यार एल्बम का अंतरिक्ष
Harun, you failed. See na? You
try
failed.
to distract me.
Alicia, are you doing all right? Huh?
You wanna die after this.
Oh
यार ये तो this is torture.
यार
QB is starting her second cup. Oh, Ali, you've got competition. So which one is better, mango or the strawberry one? Wow, no, actually, हाँ, Ali, so you focus on your ice cream. No, Ali, you have to finish this. This is थोड़ी सी
हो
cheating.
गया?
नहीं हुई है.
Oh, time's up.
QB, come on, man. Oh shoot, and the time is up. It's actually 18 seconds over.
Like Kavita.
All right, Ali, you won. Are you okay?
मेरा एक ये था, एक ये था.
वो Ali का था.
आधे से ज़्यादा.
Are you lying all because his brain is dead? Does not mean you can lie on the show. The
Congratulations.
people watching you.
Congratulations, sir. Zabardast.
Won an iPad. You may have it now.
I said it's a surprise.
I'll do the honors.
क्या बात है,
Bilal,
क्या बात है।
yeah, Hassan.
What's wrong with you?
My brain's frozen too, apparently. Okay, Harun, stop eating ice cream. You've lost. Sorry, वापस रख दो.
अब रख-
Give it,
खा भी
give it
नहीं
back.
सकते
I'm kidding. Of course you can have it. Okay, Ali Sher is the winner of something special.
And he
we
got
will
an
give it to
iPod.
him.
iPad, yeah.
iPod, yeah, here, iPod for you. Actually, no, seriously, okay, congratulations. You seem to be on a winning streak. You've won pretty much everything in the show today, hai na?
Yeah.
Hai na? Okay, good, cool. Don't feel too bad because what I have for you losers, sorry, people who did not win, is that you get to mimic each other as performers, yes?
Oh, I always wanted to do that.
I wanted to do that.
किसी को इंतजार था
I want to do Bilal Khan.
I am
and
so
Tariq at the end.
excited.
Okay,
No,
QB does,
no.
QB does
I
Bilal
am
Khan.
so.
No,
I
I
wanna
think Hassan.
Harun.
I think Hassan, right?
Harun.
I've been calling you Harun. Okay,
Harun.
this guy in the blue kurta will do.
This is green, by the way.
Okay, now I'm colorblind. Is that what you're saying?
Well,
You and I? Okay, let's take it outside. All right, so you will be doing QB, yes? Yes. Are you
yeah,
done with your
yeah,
ice cream? Bilal Khan, can you do Farhan?
I'll do Harun.
Can you do Ali Sher?
I'll do Harun.
You'll do Harun. Okay, fine.
I'll do
All right.
वो रहेंगे
QB, क्या scene है? Are you gonna sing or you just gonna like mimic Bilal Khan? वैसे?
I'm gonna sing the way he sings.
Okay, okay. Are we ready? Camera on QB,
Do
please.
you want me to play guitar?
Yeah, please.
3, 2, 1, go.
Ice cream खा के तन्हाई के सफर चलिया सफर रहा जब ख्वाब में छोड़ जाना
बहुत दूर
खता हो गई
See, we're so clever. पहले आइसक्रीम खिला के गले बिठा के and then we've given them this challenge. You, it's okay.
Chorus is here.
We're running out of time here. Bilal Khan, quick. QB, 2 seconds.
I have to.
Yes.
स्टार्ट से शुरू करो.
No, Bilal Khan, again, seriously. 3, 2, 1.
तेरे इश्क में जो भी
Harun.
तेरे इश्क में जो भी दुनिया की लहरों में
Obviously, you guys really love each other. Okay, we've come to the end of the show. Thank you so much, our Twitter followers, our viewers. We've been getting great feedback, but you know what? We're not going to leave you like this. We're going to leave you with a song that all of you will sing.
I want to wish my manager DJ Mac. He's my good friend as well. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak to your family as well, and Eid Mubarak Mama and Nano, Mamu, everybody. Have a good one.
आसिम खान को Eid Mubarak कहना चाहते हैं.
पाकिस्तान
आप किसी को ईद मुबारक कहना चाहते हैं अली?
Yeah, to everyone in my family, especially my mother, my brother who's in Dubai on this beautiful day. I'm missing him. And to all the Express 24/7 Express News team, and to all my friends, to all the Pakistanis everywhere, all the Muslims in the world.
Yay! Eid Mubarak to all of you. Bilal Khan, any shout outs to anyone?
I just want to say Eid Mubarak to my family, to my mom, to my auntie, to my cousin, DJ Dad,
My dead Bakra.
everybody.
Okay, super. Good. Okay, quick song to close the show.
तेरे इश्क में जो भी डूब गया से दुनिया की लहरों से डरना क्या हो तेरे इश्क में हो तेरे इश्क में हो तेरे
Pakistan, Jan, Jan, Pakistan, Dil, Dil, Pakistan, Jan, Jan, Pakistan, ऐसा
और आसमां इनके सिवा जाना कहाँ बढ़ती रहे ये रोशनी चलता रहे ये कारवां दिल दिल पाकिस्तान जा जा पाकिस्तान दिल दिल पाकिस्तान जा जा पाकिस्तान
What's happening?
तुमसे है नजरे मिली तब से दिल में हलचल सी कि अब क्या करूँगी पल भी तेरे बिना दिल को चैन नहीं
Guys, thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching. We love you all and thanks for the wonderful feedback. It's time for us to go. Eid Mubarak to you, your family, your loved ones. A quick, small little prayer for those in Swabi who lost their lives in a bomb attack earlier today. But don't let that dampen your spirits. Enjoy Eid and have a great time. See you tomorrow. Bye. Thank you so much, guys. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak to all of you.